Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area, and y'all, this is my living room, and I'm so in love the way my living room turns out. And I want to decorate my dining area, add a touch of summer to make my home look beautiful. And guys, I'm starting with cleaning my table. I did a little cleaning off camera because you can see I changed my vase and my flowers. And guys, I'm cleaning the table by using the FantastiCLEAN microfiber towel. And guys, if you are someone that looking for to save some money, this one can be a good option, because buying paper towel, it's like throwing money in the garbage bin. And guys, this one you can use it up to 50 times, and it absorbs more than 10 times the regular paper towel. And guys, it's washable, reusable, and you cannot go wrong with that. And guys, you can use it on a paper towel rack, or on your counter, or under your cabinet, whatever you prefer. It's good. And as you can see guys, it's easy to use. Just have to remove the first layer tape that hold it together, and just tear it. And super nice, super good to have. And guys, you're gonna save money for the long run. You need something like that. If you are someone like me that love to save money, buying paper towel is just like throwing money away, I can say, because this one you can reuse it, wash it, and do whatever you want to do with it. And you can color code it like I'm doing right now, because I use a different color for different places. So my kitchen, my bathroom, I use different colors. And if I'm doing other cleaning guys, so the link will be in the description box down below. If something like that interests you, feel free to check them out, because if you want to save money, this is a good way to go. Because I never have this color before, the earth tone color, and that's I'll pick it up, and then I think it go with my outfit. Okay guys, let's go back cleaning the table. I love this table so much guys, and it the clear glass is so perfect, make my home look so expensive. And I really love everything about this table. And this microfiber, it's very nice, and I use the glass cleaner with it and make my table very sparkly, very nice, very beautiful. So guys, check the link in the description box down below if you are looking for something to help you with the cleaning.
When I close my eyes, I see
most of the time I use my mop, because I have a color code, so one for the wall, one for the floor. So this time I'm going to do a spot clean. As you can see, my grandson have put some fingerprint on the wall. I don't really like that at all, but you know, I have to let them be kid and let me be me. So normally what I do, I clean as I go. So I don't wait the end of the year to do a full house, to repaint the full house. I don't do that. So every time I see little spot, I clean. If I cannot clean, if it cannot come out, I always have paint in hand and just paint it over right away. I don't do the end of year painting like a lot of people do, because it will cost me too much. And this one is more effective and cost effective and less time consuming, because once I see it, I just clean it right away. And if it cannot come out, paint it. And guys, for the centerpiece, I love to make my own arrangement, and like that I can remove them, reuse them, change them places. So they sell them already pre-made. You can buy it, or you can make one permanent. I have some orchid arrangement that I made, and they like stay like that forever. But most of the time I make my own for arrangement that gonna help me reuse them over in more places inside the house, throughout the house, if I may say it this way.
take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. Gonna take some time. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say,
Honestly, for some people it would be good enough like this, because it's pretty. But me, you know, I'm extra. I always have to put extra on everything. So if it's not extra, it's not. This is my home, y'all. I'm just sharing with you what I love. So if you don't like flowers, that's okay. You don't have to add flower. As you can see, without the flower, it was still pretty. But me, I love flowers, and I like it to be a little bit extra. So that's why I'm added the flowers, and I'm added a touch of color just to, just for summer. But it's not, I'm not going to overpower, do too much right now. I might later on, but right now I'm gonna keep it this way, just a little yellow, just to show summer, because summer always yellow most of the time. Like I said, I'm not a professional designer, guys. I'm a nurse, and I just love to decorate my home, just to make my home look pretty. And that's why I share with you what I love doing, like my passion. And guys, if you don't like it, like I said, you can always remove some of the things, but me, that's what I love. And guys, I'm using this placemat because you know the way the living room is, so I want something very similar to the living room except the yellow flower. So I just want to put a little uniqueness in the dining room. And this placemat, I got it from Amazon some while ago, and they're pretty and they're very nice. And those plates, they have been sent to me, guys. I love them. They're so pretty. You can see everything is beautiful, and the quality of the material is very nice. Guys, if you on the market, you're looking for some diningware, this one can be useful to you as well. And I really love the way the company pack the plate. And then this one is in, they pack it in 3 boxes. There's no way you're gonna have any broken pieces, no way, because they take some time to pack the dishes. And I really love it. I really love that, because that's peace of mind, knowing when you order your thing, they're not going to get damaged. I really love that. And guys, as you can see inside the box, I love doing my unboxing. Just if you decide to buy anything, you will know exactly what to expect. And the quality again is very nice. So I really love the color. If you are looking for nice diningware, they have so other style and colors to choose. So me, I really love this one, because this one is neutral. It's gonna go perfectly with everything I decorate in my home. So I love it. So if you want other color, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can choose other color or other style. If you like mine, you can choose mine too. And then I'm going to finish up with the unboxing for you to see. And the plates and everything about it is very nice. The quality is very nice. If you are looking for a nice set, this one can be a good option for you as well. Okay guys, I'm going to wash them and go back to finish up my setting. And guys, as you can see, I really love the plates, and for the decor, they go perfectly well together. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, I do clean with me, home decor, DIY. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you all. I love you all, and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous la première fois, moi surtout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Et si pas la première fois tout, moi dis merci un pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi maintenant. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je décore ma salle à manger pour l'été. Si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français, ça me fait un grand plaisir. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amis pour votre support. Je vous aime.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith.
This is the finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think. If you like it, if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friends and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys.
Almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.